So today I'll be showing you how to scan documents with your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So this is very simple. All you have to do is get your document on a flat surface, and then there are two ways you can scan documents. So you could use the default camera app, but for me, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the best way. The best way is to use the Samsung Notes application. So open up that application, and then let's go ahead and create a new note. Of course, it's going to try and sell us to Galaxy AI, so you can quickly go through that. And then now we are ready to create a new note. So I'm just going to tap on the plus icon in the top right here, and then select scan from the menu. Now it's going to ask for permission to access the cameras. Of course, you can grant that. And then now place your document, and then put your document in the viewfinder like that. Just try to keep your phone as straight as possible. You can see the app is going to create an outline around your document. So once you're happy with the outline that's been created, like that, you can tap on the shutter button. That's going to create that. Then if you want to, you can reshape and resize everything, and then you can tap on done. All right, and then you can go to the next page. So assuming this is a 2-page document, just go to the other page and then scan again like this. And then once you're happy, just tap on the shutter button. It's going to get captured. If you like it, just tap on done. If you want to adjust the edges slightly like that, you can do that. Just like that. And then tap on done. And then you can now tap on save. You can see your document is there. Both pages are here, ready to go. So just tap on the menu in the top right corner and then select save as file. Now choose which file you want to save it as. Now, since it's going to be a document, for most people, you can save it as a PDF file. Now, also you have the option to save it as an image file. It's all up to you in all these other formats. Samsung Notes file, you have Microsoft Word file, whatever you want. So for me, I want it to be a PDF file. So I'll select that, and then I'll choose where I want to save mine. So I'll select the documents folder, and then I'll tap on done. It's going to ask for a name. I'm going to put mine as my test scan Z Flip 7. Okay, then tap on save. All right, so now when you go to the Files app in the Documents folder, you should have a PDF document called test scan Z Flip 7. It's going to be a PDF file, and when we open it up using one of our PDF readers, we have a proper document. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.